A day after teasing the new Tundra, Toyota dropped the 2027 Sequoia update too, and the headline is the same story. A factory-built Trailhunter package finally lands on the full-size SUV. This slate gray Trailhunter, developed by Toyota's Calty Design Research Studio in Ann Arbor, Michigan, previews exactly what's coming, and Toyota says the goal was a more refined, confident presence while keeping that same rugged spirit that defines its truck lineup. Up front, Toyota gave the Sequoia a restyled front fascia with a broader grille and re-engineered lower bumper contours, plus integrated rectangular fog lamps built cleanly into the corners. The grille-mounted LED light bar got a brighter upgrade, and Trailhunter specifically adds rigid color-changing fog lamps and prominent front tow hooks for genuine trail use. Toyota's being upfront that the rest of the exterior is largely unchanged, so don't expect a full redesign here, more of a focused refresh around the nose. The Trailhunter package built on the SR5 grade, riding on Michelin LTX Trail 265/70 R18 tires, backed by an Old Man Emu upgraded suspension and additional underbody protection for real off-road capability, and Toyota expects it to be priced noticeably below the TRD Pro. Step inside and the updates lean tech first. Every 2027 Sequoia gets a standard 14-inch touchscreen running Toyota's newest audio multimedia system, with 5G connectivity, a quicker responding Hey Toyota voice assistant, and a standard built-in drive recorder dashcam using the exterior cameras. The steering wheel gets a redesigned button layout for cruise control and other functions, and Digital Key now works straight through your phone's wallet app via NFC. There's also an available 2.4 kilowatt power inverter for running gear while camping or tailgating. Here's the honest gap though. Toyota hasn't detailed seat materials or boot space specifics for 2027 yet, so full interior trim details are still pending, though higher trims like the 1794 edition have historically featured leather and real walnut wood accents. Under the hood, here's what's actually confirmed, and what isn't. Toyota's own release doesn't list horsepower or torque figures for 2027 yet. The outgoing Sequoia's iForce Max twin-turbo V6 hybrid currently makes 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque, with up to 9,500 pounds of towing, and some reports suggest 2027 may standardize on that hybrid across the lineup, but Toyota hasn't confirmed that officially. Standard Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 brings pre-collision detection with pedestrian recognition, full-speed dynamic radar cruise control, and lane departure alert with steering assist across every trim. The lineup still spans SR5, Limited, Platinum, 1794 Edition, TRD Pro, and Capstone. Full specs and pricing are expected this fall. Would you wait for the full reveal, or is this refresh enough to get you interested already? Drop your take below and subscribe. Car Rev 3's got another wild one coming soon.